Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Walmart Plus at Murphy USA. Walmart Plus is a membership program that offers exclusive benefits and discounts to its members, including savings on gas at Murphy USA locations. First, you need to be a Walmart Plus member to use this service. If you are not a member, sign up for Walmart Plus on the Walmart website or through the Walmart app. Next, download the Walmart app on your mobile device. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Once you have downloaded the app, log into your Walmart account to access your membership benefits. To use Walmart Plus at Murphy USA, follow these steps. Open the Walmart app and navigate to the Services section. Click on Fuel Savings and then select Murphy USA as your preferred gas station. You will then be prompted to link your Murphy USA account to your Walmart Plus account. If you do not have a Murphy USA account, you can create one through the Walmart app. Once your accounts are linked, you can start saving on gas at Murphy USA locations. To do this, open the Walmart app and navigate to the Fuel Savings section. Select the Murphy USA location where you want to fill up and click on the Get Code button. A fuel discount code will be generated, which you can use to save on gas at the selected Murphy USA location. The discount will be applied at the pump, and you will receive the discounted price. In addition to saving on gas, Walmart Plus members also receive other benefits, including free shipping on online orders, exclusive discounts, and access to a rewards program. By following these steps, you can start using Walmart Plus at Murphy USA and begin saving on gas today. Remember to always log in to your Walmart account and use the Walmart app to access your membership benefits and get the most out of your Walmart Plus membership.